The murder trial was all but over. A jury of Jeffrey Willis's peers had determined that he had gunned down Rebecca Blitzk, a 36-year-old jogger he'd encountered on the side of a Michigan road in 2014. Investigators say he was trying to pull her into his van as she tried to fight back. But before Willis was sent to prison for the remainder of his life, Blitzk's tearful family members had some words for him, a time-honored and highly emotional court moment known as the Victim Impact Statement. Jessica Josephson told the court about her slain sister's now motherless child, according to Fox affiliate WXMI. She praised her sibling, saying, "Becky was everything a big sister should be. Becky is so much more than the jogger on the side of the road." And she railed against Willis, calling him a monster, and adding that she hoped he would rot in hell. A man with a machete killed their parents. Then it was their turn to speak in court. Another of Blitzk's sisters said she was full of hate and anger toward Willis. But Willis never heard any of it. Before the sisters spoke in court, Muskegon County Circuit Judge William Marietti granted Willis's request to skip the victim impact statements, and the sentencing that followed, according to CBS News. And so, moments before Blitzk's family shuffled to the front of the courtroom, Willis was escorted out of it. As he left, he turned to his victim's family and blew a kiss. His stunning act was met with screams of "coward" from the crowd. But the judge had spoken, and there was nothing the family could do. According to Michigan Live, Willis's attorney said it was the defendant's desire to be absent for his sentencing. Marietti did not immediately return messages from the Washington Post seeking comment Tuesday. Michigan law gives crime victims the right to make a statement to the court during sentencing, but there's nothing that says a defendant has to listen, attorneys in the case told WXMI. "You can't make him listen anyway," Willis's attorney, Fred Johnson, said after the sentencing. "If a person is going to be there and cause a disturbance, then you've got a circus. You've got the Jerry Springer show." Prosecutors objected to Willis's request to leave, saying the man was taking the cowardly way out. But the judge said it was the defendant's right to not be present. A violent psychopath escaped in Hawaii and flew to California, then got caught after hailing a cab. The family's anger boiled over during and after the hearing. For them, it had been a 3-year ordeal. Blitzk was fatally shot in June 2014 in Dalton Township, on the eastern edge of Lake Michigan, according to the Detroit Free Press. But investigators didn't arrest Willis until June 2016, after he was identified in an attempted kidnapping in nearby Fruitland Township. "This coward should have been here to listen to us," Blitzk's mother, Deborah Reamer, said. She had also given a victim impact statement, speaking of the night she learned her daughter had been murdered, then dissolving into tears, unable to continue. "We deserve a right to tell him exactly how we feel," she said afterward.